Welcome to the next lesson plan by the Ceredigion Active Young People team. Our aim with these short videos is to create a 4-part lesson. These 4 parts will be warm-up, skill development, the main activity, and how we can differentiate the lesson. The aim of this lesson is to learn and develop the skill of kicking a ball. To warm up, ask the children to do 30 seconds of sidestepping and 30 seconds of dodging. Remember to stretch the muscles, especially the legs, by doing squats and lunges. Kicking a ball is an important skill in football, but is also used in rugby. Try to encourage the children to follow the correct technique, putting one foot to the side of the ball, swinging the other foot through the ball, and looking at the ball throughout. As they become more confident, the children can start combining skills such as dribbling and then kicking the ball. You can develop the skill by asking the children to kick the ball at a target. Use the skill card and video as examples to help you. Ask the children to think of their own challenges also. This card is in the multi-skills resource box, which is in every school, or you can see the cards on our Ceredigion Active Teams channel. You can also scan the QR code to go straight to the video. Look at this activity, which is fireball, as an example to develop the skill of kicking a ball. One child at a time will kick a series of balls into a space. Then after kicking every ball, the fielders will retrieve the balls and put them back on the cones. In the meantime, the kicker will be running and counting how many shuttles they can do before all the balls are back in place. You can ask the children to practice kicking with both feet, but remember to reinforce the importance of performing the skill correctly every time.
1. Quick, back on the cones. Good boy, Antonio. Go, Jaco.
And another ball, Enzo, get the other ball. Get the other one, Chris. Put it on there, quick. Yeah, on there, that's fine.
Keep going. Last one, Antonio, yellow ball. Keep going, Giacomo. And stop.
Try and combine skills such as dribbling before kicking the ball. You can use a target such as a football goal and also add a goalkeeper for the stronger children. Remember to challenge the children to use both feet. You can also use different size balls for a different challenge. To make it easier, make sure that the ball is stationary first before the children kick it. Remember to assess the children throughout the lesson to inform your planning for the next lesson. Thanks for listening.